In this video, I will show you a demonstration with a much larger stepper motor used as a generator. The effect I showed in my previous two videos about a stepper generator without braking effect remains the same. Generation without braking, even when a load is connected. As before, I am measuring the input power. On the screen, you can see the ammeter connected to the drive motor and the voltmeter showing the voltage across the supercapacitor. I am using a DC motor with a gearbox. This allows me to take accurate measurements, but it also limits the maximum RPM. With a drill, I could reach higher RPMs, but then it would not be possible to measure the input power. As I have already said, one of the conditions for generation without braking effect is the rotation speed. Even so, even at these lower speeds, the effect is clearly visible. It is important to know that such a setup requires a large torque. That's why the gearbox is recommended. If you only use a high-speed motor without a gearbox, the system will not work properly. Alternatively, a flywheel can be added to compensate. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the effect with a significantly larger stepper motor and to show that the generation efficiency is actually very high. With the addition of a flywheel and an impulse method of feeding the energy back to the motor, this system has the potential to become self-sustaining. The key is to achieve the exact timing where the impulse feedback keeps the motor in a stable regime. If you want to learn more about the conditions under which this kind of generation without braking effect can be achieved, you can watch my previous two videos about the stepper generator without braking effect.